Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have 3 delicious vegan recipes that I like to use for stress relief. So the first one is a nice hot drink to have first thing in the morning, something hot that you want to use. Maybe you want to replace coffee, or maybe you just like me and like to have something hot to wake up to in the morning. This drink is really good because it's going to support your mental clarity. It's going to help you get the day started, give you a little boost of energy, but nothing jittery, and just help your day start off great. The second drink that I'm going to, or second recipe that I'm going to show to you is something that you can have throughout the day. What's really special about this drink is it's going to help curtail your appetite. It'll help you control your emotional eating and just give you something really refreshing and nice to sip on throughout the day. So you could either have it before meals, with meals, or just like an in-between refreshing drink to have. And the third recipe or drink that I have for you today is something nice to have before you go to bed at night. So you can either have this when you're just hanging out on the sofa watching your favorite show, or you can sip this when you're reading your favorite book. Even if you just want something to help you get to sleep at night. I know sometimes we have trouble with that, especially if we are under a lot of stress. So this drink will help with that. So 3 recipes, 3 drinks coming your way. Let's get into it. Oh, and make sure you stay until the end for a bonus tip on how to reduce stress. Let's get started with the first drink. So the first drink, you're going to need about 1 scoop of this delicious, amazing blend. This has turmeric. It has so many other amazing things in it. It's called Golden Superfood Bliss, and you're really going to like this a lot. I know we all have heard of the amazing benefits of turmeric. I love the fact that it will help reduce temporary inflammation when it's related to physical exercise. So if I'm just getting back into a routine, it could be a little bit hard on my muscles and joints, but consuming turmeric is going to be a really great way to help you recover better. I'm also adding 1 scoop of Cacao Bliss, and then I'm putting in about 1.5 cups of hot water. I'm going to pour that right in, and then after I pour that in, I'm going to whisk everything together with my little milk frother. I love this little thing. It's very convenient. Helps to cut down time on using the blender. I can just put that little whisk right in there, or a little milk frother, and get everything blended up really nice. I'm also going to add about a tablespoon of maple syrup. I always use the dark maple syrup. I usually have that on hand. I started using it with the Master Cleanse, and I found that it's really great to use or have around as a sweetener because it has nutrients in it and it blends up really nice. You don't have to wait for the sugar to melt, and it tastes really good. Stevia I like too, but I just find I like that dark maple syrup a lot. So I'm gonna blend this up, and this is really good to drink first thing in the morning. It really wakes me up. The cacao is something that keeps me nice and alert, gives me that mental clarity. And then this Golden Superfood Bliss is really nice because it's going to give me like calming effect, give me that stress relief, and have all of those different elixir superfoods in it that's going to support my digestion throughout the day and also curb hunger. So the next recipe that I have for you guys is this delicious lemonade. I think this is really great to have if you're someone that is post master cleanse. So if you're on the master cleanse, you know you can only have the lemonade, the detox tea, and the saltwater flush herbal tea and water. But what I'm doing with this lemonade is I'm adding some of that turmeric superfood bliss, that golden superfood bliss. So I think this is a great addition because, you know, when you get off the master cleanse, it's pretty much recommended that you continue to drink the lemonade in between meals, something to kind of curb your appetite. And adding this golden superfood bliss, I think, is perfect because there are so many things in here that are great for you to help with metabolism, like that ashwagandha root. That is really great to give you a release of feeling from anxiety. It's going to maintain your blood sugar level keep it, if it's already in normal range, it's going to help it stay into normal range. And those are some of the things that, when they're spiked, makes us have hunger. So I think this is really great support for stress release and also weight loss. I think it's really cool when you can find a recipe like the Master Cleanse Lemonade Diet recipe and then continue to reap the benefits of it by adding things to it after you're done with the cleanse. So even if you're someone that hasn't done the cleanse before, if you want to get the benefits of it without, actually going through the 10 days, you can make the lemonade recipe, add this Golden Superfood Bliss to it, drink it throughout the day, and I'm pretty sure it's going to curb your appetite and you'll see results with losing weight, because what you're going to be doing is replacing like snacking and emotional eating with this. And this thing is only 35 calories for one scoop. I recommend one scoop for 2 servings. So you're going to put that in a regular size cup, like maybe I would say 16 ounces, so that you can blend it up all together. And then if you're going to do 8 ounces per serving, then just share it out that way. Or you can do what I do is I make a whole batch for the day, and then I add about 2 scoops so that it blends up really nicely. And then all you have to do is just like pour your servings out. You don't have to worry about making it each time. Now, this recipe is really great to have at night when you want to just relax, you want to curl up on the sofa and watch your favorite show. I've been really binge watching Girlfriends lately. It's so nice that they were on for, I think, 8 seasons, because I'm only about halfway done now and I started, several weeks ago. So it's nice to have something fun to watch in the evenings that's just like not thinking about anything serious, just unwind and curl up with a nice hot drink like this. So I've been having the Cacao Bliss at night too with warm milk, and this I've been having lately as well. It's so good. So let me tell you how to make it. So for this one serving, I am using 1 full scoop because this is the majority of the flavor is going to come from that. I'm using 1 full scoop of that, and I have hot water, so I'm pouring in about a cup. I'm using my smaller mug for this serving, and it's about a cup of water. Hot water, go ahead and pour that in, and I'm using my milk frother to get everything combined nice and smooth. Give me that little frothy effect, even though there isn't any plant milk in there. And what I'm going to add to it is 1 drop of lavender oil. So this is really good trick because, we're used to diffusing oils and having them around the home to add scent and add to the environment and, have that calming effect, or even, in our hair products or on our skin. But when you use oils that you can consume, it's really nice because you can add things like lavender oil to your drink. So I'm adding just a little bit, 1 drop. I think another drop jumped out of there, but 1 drop to that, and it's gonna give me that like nice calming effect at the end of the day. So it's a really great replacement for anything you may have been having that's unhealthy, or just to like break it up a little bit and have this sometime. It's really nice. But I've been really enjoying this because it's like it has superfoods in there. It's so good for you, but it's very calming and comforting to have that hot drink at the end of the day. So yeah, have that, get on the sofa, put something nice on to watch, or get your favorite book. I've been really meaning to finish Atomic Habits, so I pulled that out to show you guys. But this book is really good. It's really good about talking about placing things in your eyesight, or making things easy when you want to create a new habit, and when you want to stop a habit, making it hard by putting it out of reach. So I'm about in the middle of that, and yeah, those are all the recipes. I just wanted to share a bonus tip with you guys about relaxation. You could also find something that is really relaxing to you, like yoga. That has been working wonders for me as far as relaxation. You don't have to worry about, doing anything that may be kind of intimidating, like handstands and things like that. It's really not about that. Those things are amazing too, but just like being in touch with your body, being in tune, slowing down. Like this child pose is something I recommend everyone do at least 1 to 3 minutes throughout the week. whenever you remind yourself, or you can even set your alarm on your phone to go into child's pose and just say, okay, I'm going to do it for 1 to 3 minutes, and just remember that I'm safe, I'm loved, I'm lovable, and I'm doing the best that I can. So just wanted to leave you with that tip and let you guys know that I'm so happy that you guys are following my channel. I see all the new subscribers. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video. The next video is most likely going to be the giveaway, so make sure you're subscribed and have notifications on so that you are notified when my video goes up, because that way you can sign up for the giveaway, and good luck. All right, guys, I am going to just leave a little bit of this with you, but I am jumping in at the end to close it out. So I'll see you in a couple seconds. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Most likely the next video will be a giveaway. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so that you'll get the alert when I post the next time, so you can be alerted to that giveaway. It's going to be a good one. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! And big shout out to Earth Echo Foods for sponsoring this video. If you want more information about any of the products that you saw today, check the description box below. I'll be sure to leave you a discount code in case you want to check it out.